pumpkin. This awesome witch. There's a pumpkin coming out of an egg. There's a pumpkin putting its 2 fingers in. And don't forget to like and subscribe.
Hello guys, and today I wanted to show off my cool little ghost because I think it's really cool, and I like how its mouth is really open. I know some people have like it's smiling, but I thought it would be cool to just have it open and have those little white things in. I don't know what they're called, and to like make your eyes shine. I think it's really cool. So, bye.
Hello everyone, this is Brandon Rockefeller, and this is my Halloween Tinkercad I made. So you got the ghost with their tongues sticking out. You got these cool pumpkin jack-o'-lanterns with their sharp, razor-sharp teeth. And you got the zombies. Some of the zombies are coming out of the ground. And then, and this is the gravestones with rest in peace on it, or abbreviated RIP.
That's how you do it. And here is R, green, and blue. Hello, and this is my Zoom thing, and I'm going to use the rocket shit to get to Earth. Nice. This is level 2, and I made it really hard, so I'm gonna try to beat it.
Sarah Williams and Jenna, middle name Heck. Today we have made a facial spray, which I don't know how to say it. Mario Badescu, I think. Google it. We got Birkenstocks, Be Happy, and NIU. Oh, that's a sticker. And a Save the Turtles. And I made that, and Jenna made that. Yeah, and again, we have the rest of this, and it's our best world, so bye! Hey guys, we made ghosts. This is a Mr. Harmon ghost. And this is Harmon ghost. Boo.
Everybody, it's Jimmy the Chungus back with another video, and today we're doing this thing that is called boxlearning.com engineering, prescripted by HLModTech. And check out this swagalicious plane I made. It's got the big wings, the stabilizers on the back, the fin, and we can't forget about that tiny fin right there. All these good stuff. Let's try it out, shall we?
Yeah.
Look at it go! Woo! And as you can see, my plane isn't going very far as that guy's plane as well. I beat the record of 5 seconds.
Hey guys, it's me Spencer back in Flight in Space, and I am gonna race Mr. Harmon with our planes. I beat him so many times before, so I'm sure I'll do it again. It took me 3 days to get my plane pretty good, and hopefully we get him to crash and burn. Hot, his is already sinking. Purple. Boom, one, that easy. Yeah.
Make sure you check out HLModTech on Instagram for how to make this adorable little ghost in very few steps. And you might see my favorite student. And with a little bonus coolness, we printed it with glow-in-the-dark filament.
Oh, and this is my turtle with the confetti cannon on its back. And here's a guy lighting it with his mouth. And then it goes kaboom. And the turtle's so happy. He wants to do it too. This is, oh yeah, it's the Kool-Aid Man, and I'm just gonna do the same thing again.
I'm Ariana, Mr. Harmon's 5th hour, and this is my computer 1 presentation. This is one about typing and pictures. This is a Google wax one and a video and one that I made. This one's Google Sheets, and this is a graph that I made. This is my favorite tinker pad that I did. A how to do that tinker pad. Presentation tips. And one on our Zoom scratch.
This is Lukas. I made this awesome haunted graveyard that I just made. There's pumpkins from the lesson he made, ghosts from the lesson he made. I made this witch. It took me like half an hour at my house just to make that. I don't know how. It took me so long. But I also made these little zombie dudes and ghosts.
Mr. Harmon's Instagram. This is my ghost that I made in Mr. Harmon's from Mr. Harmon's video. It has a hole at the top right here, just in case it will become a keychain. I put HLModTech right there, just in case he will print it. And this is my version of a derpy ghost. I don't know why I like derpy stuff. That's why I made the derpy ghost. Like and subscribe to Mr. Harmon's Instagram, and yeah.
At what point do you tell the puppy that might be too big to drag? And let's get out of the rain. Silly dog.